Hello everyone. In the next couple of weeks, we are going to be talking about simple ways that you can make your home feel more sophisticated. To start, we're going to talk about curtains. Something that I see a lot that makes your home instantly look less sophisticated is people hang their curtains right above their window, and it just instantly makes the room feel shorter, smaller, darker. It takes the eye right down. So what you want to do with your curtains is you want to try and hang them as close to the cornice as possible. So you're going to really take them up. Even if the window is, for example, down here, and the cornice is up here, you're going to take your curtain right up to the cornice. You obviously want to leave a little bit of space, like breathing space, to be able to take your curtains on and off. So I would say about maybe like 10 centimeters from the cornice. So you're going to try and get your curtains as close to the cornice as possible. And what this does is it really opens up the room, it opens up the space, it lifts the eye. So when we work in interior design, we always focus on where is the eye going to be placed, where is it going to travel, because that's going to determine what you place where. And when it gets to curtains, you want to let the eye travel as high as possible because it will make the room feel bigger when the eye travels up. Another mistake that I see people make is that when they hang their curtains, the length of the curtains actually is wrong. Their curtains are too short and it doesn't actually reach the floor. So what you want to try and do with your curtains is to make them so long that they hang just on the floor or just above the floor if you don't want them to get dirty. Just above the floor, but you want to try and get them as close to the floor as possible. So that's really like the most basic rule with curtains. Obviously you can get more complicated scenarios and we can talk more about that later, but the most basic rule of curtain hanging is that you need to try and get the height as high, as close to the cornice as possible, and then the length you want to try and get as low to the floor as possible. And this will really just open up the room, it'll elevate the space, it'll take the eye up, and it'll just make your room look that much more sophisticated. And it's a simple hack. This is something that you can do right now at home. You don't need a lot of expertise to implement this tip, to just elevate your home and take it up just a little notch and make it look a little more sophisticated.